Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Vaibhav.
So I wanted to ask a question.
Tell me.
So me and my friends are planning to go to Noida for job hunting. So is it a good time to try for it?
Sorry, I could not hear that properly. Can you ask come again?
So me and my friends are planning to go to Noida for job hunting.
But how you will hunt the job?
So that's what I want to know. So
No, you
we
don't
have
have.
some
Where are you
that
from?
so Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh.
So jobs you will not get there physically. You have to search jobs on LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn
Yes, sir.
or other platforms. So you walk-ins are not walk-in doesn't happen, everywhere. So in all companies. So it will of no sense.
Yes, sir.
So
So,
better you
so
plan
there
that.
were some companies like Tech Mahindra. There were
But then you,
some.
no, but they will not allow you to get inside also.
Yes, sir. I have seen some YouTube videos. They were telling about that it is a walk-in time and anyone can come and give the interview.
Your voice is low, can't hear you properly.
Yes, sir.
But
So I saw some YouTube videos where people were telling that in Tech Mahindra now currently the walk-in drives are going on and anyone can apply for it.
no, but walk-ins are not for the freshers. Walk-ins are for experience. Then
Okay.
you just go for Tech Mahindra if it is for freshers. Why you want
Yes,
to go for general job hunt?
yes, sir. So if we want to apply, then we have to do it from LinkedIn and Naukri.com.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you, sir. That's what I wanted to ask.
LinkedIn, Naukri, Indeed, Shine, all these platforms are good.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Hi,
Yes, sir.
Gopi, how are you?
Yes, sir. I'm doing good, sir. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
I'm also good. Uh, I hope your interview was good, right?
Yes, sir.
You are anyway a trainer.
Yes,
you
sir.
you teach programming languages, so it must be good for you, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is I have a community in which all the students who have cleared the interview are part of it. So I do a daily call to guide them. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
I thought let me invite you here so that others can also get benefit from your experience, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So I think people are still joining. We'll wait for 5 minutes.
Okay, okay, sir.
Rutuja, you want to get your resume reviewed? Can you share me that? Or you did it, we did it for you yesterday. I don't sure. I'm not sure. Uh, okay. So Gopi, let's do one thing. Let's start in the interest of time. So you can share how was your interview experience. Explain it from starting. Okay. What?
Okay, sir. So my
By
interview
the way,
was
to the audience, Gopinath is a digital candidate. He has recently given his interview in Chennai, and he is also one person who was given mock interview with us. So we took his mock interview as well, and that is how I know him. Uh, yeah, Gopinath,
okay, sir. So my interview was conducted on 30th May. So total duration of my interview was 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. The first question was they asked me about my family background.
Uh,
I told in my family there are four members, my mother, father, and my brother. So my mother is a homemaker and father is a farmer. And brother is doing a BCA and I am currently completed my graduation in computer and communication engineering. So I told him like that. And after that he asked the uh, what's her father is doing. So my father said that my father is farmer, and next he asked me what are the crops your father was cultivating. So next I answered paddy and sugarcane, and then he asked me a life cycle of sugarcane. So I told like four steps, like planting a sugarcane and after growing a sugarcane, we have to give some pesticides. After that, we have to harvest a sugarcane. So I told him like
It's
that.
like it is an agriculture engineering interview.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So after that, he asked me some digital technologies, and then I told cyber security, AI, machine learning, and like that. So after that, he told asked me how will you calculate income tax for sugarcane. So I didn't know about that, so I didn't answer for that question. And then next, he asked the difference between an inner join and outer join. So I told the inner join. Difference between both that inner join when matches two datas and outer join when match print output only for left side and in right side.
Gopinath, we cannot hear you. Your screen got stuck. Can you hear me? Yeah, okay. Gopinath, am I audible? Vaibhav and Rutuja, can you confirm?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
think there is an issue at Gopinath end. Hello, hello, Gopi, can you hear me? Yes, no. Okay, let me message him. Gopi, can you hear us? Let me call him. I think he got disconnected. There's a power cut at his end. No problem. Meanwhile, let us review the resume of Rutuja. He just shared that me. You open it. So Rutuja, you have made it basis the format which I have shared, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah. Rutuja Sunil Kapoor. Okay. I think Rutuja, your education should come first because that is one of the most important thing when it comes
Yeah,
to.
so in my after I just recently updated this resume to this format, like first the technical skill, after the project, and after that education. But before that, it is like education, after that technical skill, after that project, and after that achievement.
So you should share me the updated one, right?
This is the updated one. I recently changed it because I saw one video on YouTube. It is also from one of the HR of TCS, and he says that first there will be technical skills so that they will just. Uh, that's why I changed it like that.
Who is the HR? May I know that?
I don't know so the name. Wait, sir. I will just tell you 2 minutes. Just wait, sir.
No, if you take suggestions from two people, it will, confuse you. Okay. I think Gopi has joined. If you have already referred to his, uh, you know, uh, guidance, then I don't think so. I need to review it because I don't want to contradict someone. Okay, so let's go back to Gopi. Yeah, Gopi, yes, we
Uh,
can see you. Yeah.
yeah. So next they asked me calculate the income tax for the sugarcane. So I didn't able to answer for that question. And
Okay.
then they asked me to write a program for the attendance management system in Python.
Okay.
So for that, I taken the input value as a student name and student status and the number of days present. So I taken this as input and then I calculated the number of present. So if they are presented, that count will increment or else the count will decrement. At the last, it will shows the details like number of day present, absent, and presented percentage, how much they are represented. So like that, they asked me to write a code. And after that, they asked me to write a code for HTML, just displaying a name and phone number in a web page. So for that, I used in a body tag, I used the H1 tag for the printing the name and phone number. So after that, they said okay, and they asked me the difference between data manipulation and data definition languages. So I told the data manipulation is used to modify or manipulate the data, and data definition is used to define and create a database. And in example, I told if you want to create a database, you have to use a create command for the data definition languages. And in data manipulation languages, I told the insert and update. These are the three commands I told for data manipulation languages. And then next they asked me difference between ChatGPT and Copilot. So ChatGPT,
GPT and Copilot. Okay.
yes, sir. So ChatGPT is created by OpenAI and Copilot is created by GitHub and both OpenAI. And ChatGPT in like act as a human brain, and Copilot is used for the developers for making a code as efficient. So I told him like that, and they said okay. And next, they asked me definition for AI. So I give a general introduction about AI, like it is a channel for artificial intelligence, and it will be using in on fields like education and health.
I told you that, they will ask you a question from AI, right? You remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
And I told AI is for artificial intelligence, and it will be access a human brain, and it will be used in education, healthcare, cybersecurity, etc. So they told me okay, and then they asked me what's mean by postman. So in resume I mentioned about postman. So they asked me postman, how will you test API and what are the methods available in postman. So I told the postman is used for testing API, and there are four methods like get, post, put, delete. And after that, they asked me why you are be nervous, be cool. Because I'm nervous in my interview. So that's
What,
it.
what you said then?
So for that, I didn't react anything. Just I sit simply, and then they asked. At last, they asked me about the postman, and at the end of interviewer told me on the best. That's it, sir.
What they said in the end?
At the end of interview, they told me on the best.
All the best.
Yes, sir.
No HR questions?
Sir, I didn't know. Both three members have asked me technical questions for me, sir. I didn't know who is TR, MR, and HR.
There were no questions. They have not told you any terms and conditions, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it went for 30 minutes, right?
Yes, sir. 30 minutes, sir.
So you could answer all the questions, all technical questions.
Yes, sir. I answered it mostly answered technical questions. In sugarcane, I left only one questions. That's it, sir.
Okay. I think it was a fair interview then because you could answer majority of the questions. So I hope you will get digital. So all the best, Gopi.
Okay,
And I
sir.
think your MR questions were asked earlier because the kind of questions he asked about your family background and then farming, it was showing that you are, MR asked this kind of question. So basically, this is about your analytical ability and your understanding about the common things. And then your TR happened. And then when was your interview? What time you took your interview?
Interview was in the evening 4:30. Interview started, sir.
So that is why HR didn't ask you because evening time they are rushing to finish the interviews. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay then, Gopinath, all the best. Hope for the best for your results.
Okay, sir.
And thanks for coming here and sharing your experience.
Thank you, sir.
Did mock interview help you?
Yes, sir. It helped me, sir.
How it helped you?
They asked me questions on AI,
Hmm.
and then they asked me some questions in coding cast in mock interview. So it's helpful for me, sir.
Okay. Good.
Okay,
Good,
sir.
Gopi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. You can drop, no problem. If you want. Yeah. Anybody has any questions or anything you want to ask from me?
No, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Gopi, you can drop. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So let us look at the Rutuja's resume. So Rutuja, I don't know who told you what, but that is
मतलब
not.
मैंने कुछ
Can you hear me,
okay
Rutuja?
yes sir
So Rutuja, I don't know who told you what, but this is not the right practice. Okay.
okay
I have
so
taken it.
maybe I saw the video it's related to the like the online recruitment means the shortlisting of resume means the company who are shortlisting the resume means it is the format
Rutuja,
for that one.
I have been to IITs and IIMs and I have seen their resume also. Okay.
Yeah,
And that is the pattern which is followed everywhere. Education
yeah,
comes
okay,
to the
sir.
top. This is for
Okay, so I
freshers.
will, okay,
Freshers education is the qualifying criteria. So that should be on the
yeah,
top. Okay.
okay, sir.
Followed by your internship and then your
Okay,
project and then your extracurricular and then your achievements,
payment, okay,
because education is the only thing which you have, and that is the
yeah,
qualifying criteria for the interview.
yeah,
Okay. Again, you
okay,
have
sir.
mentioned so many things in a technical skill set: C++,
Yeah,
Java, DSA, and then SQL. So be ready to face questions.
yeah,
Okay, Bootstrap, React, everything. Hmm. Again, you have made a project on chart application, front-end learning website, a movie booking website. Okay. So is it a like a static website or is it a dynamic website? Can you book a movie ticket?
so even there the like link of GitHub. It is
No,
local web
I'm
on
asking
GitHub.
like it works also. It is just you have made it a prototype.
No, so it work also.
It works
But
also.
I have not given the link of there. I have given the link only of GitHub.
Okay. Okay. They are from Amravati, Maharashtra.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Mm. So you have mentioned your SSC, so this should be HSC, not general science.
This one.
So you are Bachelor of Science or Bachelor of Technology?
Bachelor of Technology. Bachelor,
Bachelor of Science, BSc.
BTech. Sir, Bachelor of Technology. Yeah. So there will be Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science. Yeah.
This is a correction.
Okay, sir.
Mm. You can mention your lead code profile also here. Lead code hyperlink. Okay.
सर मतलब हमने ये रेज्यूमे एप्लीकेशन टाइम फॉर्म फिल कर टाइम मतलब सेंड किया था उनको
चलेगा चलेगा।
तो वो रेज्यूमे मतलब हमने जो दिया वो देखते हैं या फिर उनके लैपटॉप में का देखते हैं रेज्यूमे
नहीं, जो आप हाथ में दोगे वो देखिए।
ओके
Okay, it looks fine. Lot of technical things you have mentioned. Be ready to face questions on all these things. Okay, because you
ओके
have
सर
highlighted it specifically, so you will be asked question on this. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, sir.
Anybody
you so
else has a question? Yeah. Anybody wants to check anything? Or not, then we'll wrap up. Okay. Then we'll close the call. All the best to all of you who have their interview tomorrow and day after. We'll see you tomorrow if you have any questions. Okay. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Could you review my resume to Manya? I think Manya, we have done it already for you.
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir. You didn't review my resume.
When did you have you sent me just now? Huh? Message me on WhatsApp.
Sir, I have sent in the chat box.
Okay, let me check it. I can't see that in my chat. Okay, here it is. Okay. So you have also used the same format which I have given, right?
Yes.
Good. This should be hyperlink. These are not hyperlink. It should redirect me to your LinkedIn pages. So these are okay. Oh, it is. It is. It is. Okay. Okay. Skills. CPI Vidisha. You should create some space between this. Okay. This two stars. There should be some space.
Yes, sir.
And then you can, bring them closer to this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Java SQL primary skills. So be ready to face questions here. Good academic percentage, I must say. Okay. Virtual local business. What is this project about?
Sir, basically it connects with the retailers and customers. Like it is a small type of business.
But what does your project does?
Sir,
Connect करता क्या
basically,
है?
sir, retailers can post their shops and can list their products.
Give me an example. Is it an app like Amazon?
Uh, Sir, not similar to the Amazon, but it is locally business.
So give me an example. How does it looks like? Give me an
Sir,
application similar to
similar to the Blinkit.
Blinkit.
Yes, sir.
That's what I was looking.
Yes.
What is this campus talk?
Sir, basically it is a platform where a student or students can connect if there is an issue related to the academics, like they can communicate and post their questions and they can answer. Anybody can answer, and like it is like a Stack Overflow.
So it is for your college only, or it is for all the colleges?
Also, basically it is for my college, but it can be used by another college also.
No. So it is basically you have created a social media platform for your college, is it?
Yes, sir.
So is it similar to Facebook or something?
No, sir, similar to the Stack Overflow clone, like we can say.
Which one? Sorry.
Sir, Stack Overflow.
Stake Overflow.
Yes, sir, where developer can post their queries and problems.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Okay. And what is this basic banking system?
Sir, it performs like a basic banking system. It performs some operations similar to the basic bank. We can suppose transfer money from one account to the another account, and we can update, we can insert. This is basically utilizing the SQL queries.
Then how did you integrate it into the database? Business
Sir,
intelligence.
basically I have used the PHP and the SQL for the database. Like firstly, I have created the connection for PHP to the SQL,
Hmm.
and then
Hmm.
I have used the MySQL database here.
So is it an app or is it a
Sir, it is a website only.
website? Good. TCS has so many banking projects,
Yes.
so that will be good. So TCS YP program when you completed?
Yes, sir. In my second year, I came to know about it and I completed.
So you must then attended my sessions also.
Sir, actually, I didn't remember.
So I was taking care of it.
Sir,
आपके
I
सेशन
know.
किसने लिए? अनीस सर ने लिए, किसने लिए थे?
So, Sailaja ma'am, I know.
शैलजा मैडम।
Yes.
अभी इसमें आपने सब कुछ क्या बोलते हैं हाईलाइटेड कर रखा है, सबको बोल्ड कर रखा है, उसकी जरूरत है क्या सबको बोल्ड करने की?
Okay, sir.
अच्छा, आपको स्पिरिचुअल लिटरेचर पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो रामायण रामायण आती है आपको अच्छे से?
Sir, actually, I'm reading this right now, so
ओके,
I
कोई
like to.
कोई श्लोक सुना सकते हो रामायण से आप, कोई चौपाई
Yes, sir.
बताओ।
So, मन चाही राजो मिलई सोवर सहज सुंदर सावरो करुणा निधान सुजानशील स्नेहा सुंदर रावरो एहि भांति गौरी असीस सुन सिया सहित हिया तुलसी अरि तुलसी भवानी पूज्य तुलसी भवानी पूज्य पुनि पुनि मुदित मन मंदिर चली.
व्हाट डज इट मीन?
Sir, yeah, it is when Sita ji first meet with the with the Ramji. At that time, this slog is written like the Gorima blessed the Sita that you will get your work according to you that you need that you want. This is something about it.
Good. When you write such thing, people are interested to ask you questions from there. Who
Yeah,
wrote Ramayana?
Sir Tulsi Rasi.
Tulsidas. What was the full name of Tulsidas?
Sir, the Goswami Tulsi Das.
Okay. Who is the brother of Bali? बाली का भाई कौन था?
Sir, I remember, but sir, it's not coming in my mind, but I knew that.
Basically, any questions can be asked. और जब आपने लिखा है तो फिर you should know some common questions. How old is Ramayana? Hello.
Yes, sir, actually, I don't know about it.
How many chapters are there in Ramayana?
Sir, basically, it is divided into the kands like Kiskinda Kand, Bal Kand.
कितने 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 वो हैं?
Sir, actually, I didn't count it.
But आप पढ़ रहे हो तो आपको पता होना चाहिए. That is the first thing, when you read something, you see how many chapters are there.
Yes, sir, sure, sir.
ठीक है, तो be ready when you write such unique things, not face questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it looks good. So be ready to face questions on Java and SQL, and explain your project. Like when I asked you, the first thing you should come like you should give me an example. It took very long for you to make me understand कि आपका project क्या है. मैं बहुत देर तक पूछता रहा किसका प्रोटोटाइप है ये तो बताओ. Then you said in the last Blinkit.
Yes,
Otherwise इसका उल्टा होना चाहिए कि sir this is a Blinkit like of an application which connect retailers with customers, right?
yes, sir.
And then same with like other applications. So this is called articulation techniques. आपका आर्टिकुलेशन ही सबसे ज्यादा मैटर करता है इंटरव्यू में कि आप कितने कम शब्दों में अपनी बात को समझा पाते हो. यू
Yes,
अंडरस्टैंड दैट? सो आपको बहुत कुछ बोलना पड़ा, वर्चुअल लोकल बिजनेस ये वो. मैंने कहा भाई होता क्या है बताओ पहले मैं ये तो समझूं. देन यू सेड ब्लिंकिट, मुझे एक बार में समझ में आ गया.
yes, sir.
Okay, that is something which is important for you, all of you, that your articulation should be very crisp and very clear. Okay,
Yes, sir.
when is your interview?
The day after tomorrow.
Okay, 20th को है, Friday.
Yes, sir.
चलिए, all the best for which category? Ninja Prime.
Sir, for Prime.
Oh, very good. चलिए, all the best फिर.
Thank
ठीक
you
है,
so much.
AI के बारे में पढ़ लेना, because all the prime candidates AI के बारे में पूछा ही जा रहा है उनसे. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
लोकेशन क्या है आपके इंटरव्यू की?
Sir, Indore.
इंदौर ऑफिस का.
Yes, sir.
ओके. All right, so all the best, Manya.
Thank you, sir.
ठीक है. If nobody has any questions, then we can wrap up the call.
Hello, sir.
Sangesh, बोलिए.
Yes, sir. I want to share my interview experience, sir. It's on last Friday.
Oh, very nice. So
Yes, sir.
it was for Prime. Sangesh, I think we took a mock interview, is it?
Yes, sir. It's
I remember you.
last Wednesday, sir.
मेरे को याद आ रहा है संगमेश. Yeah, very good. Come on camera.
No, sir. My surroundings are not like that much nicer, so I'm not able to switch on camera, sir. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. बताइए, how was your was for Prime, right? Correct?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm from Ninja, sir.
अच्छा, no problem. Yes, go ahead.
Yes, my reporting time at 12:30 sir,
Which
on Friday.
location your interview happened?
It's on Hubli, sir.
Hubli, yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Yes.
Yes, sir. There is college called the BUB, sir. In that college, my interview happened, and they told the reporting time is at about 12:30, sir. But they after we go attended there. They told after lunch you should come, and after we all had the lunch and gone, sir. And around 3:30 they done the document verification, and they assigned me a panel, sir. It's panel 16, I think. And before one girl is sitting, sir, in that panel, and after her my interview schedule, sir. And they told to write the code, sir, for her, and she is writing, and she is little bit nervous, and I also felt that some nervousness before entering room. But I gave the mock interview that I have some confidence that I can do, and I can know the Python and AML I can do. So I went around the 3:40 to 3:45, sir. And interview went around 30 minutes. And firstly, the HR told to give the declaration form and application form, and I gave, sir. But after that, she told to introduce yourself to the TR, and I introduced myself around 2 minutes. And after that, he took my resume, and he asked me explain the one project out of four project. And I explained that salary and job prediction project. And I explained that project from starting to end. That I told that I only build the scratch from scratch, and I explained around 10 minutes, sir. And the TR only told us, sir, okay, okay, Sangesh, fine. And after that, MR focusing on me, and he asked me, you are a Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science degree holder, not AIML, but you should know the HTML, CSS also. I went, I told that I am focusing on AIML, so I am not concentrated of HTML, CSS. And the TR asked the which role you are aiming to do. I told AML I love to play with data, and I want to play with models. And he told what further roles are. And I told I will learn that also, and I will adjust for that role, sir. And they didn't ask me any single question about Python, but they jumped into the Java that I didn't mention in the resume. But I told I will learn Java also. And
Basically, the
MR asked.
panel must be put in Java. And then
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And they didn't questioned about Python, and they directly went about the SQL, sir. Because I told I'm learning SQL from 1 week, and he asked five questions. I answered all five, but I left one question, sir, on the composite key. And after he asked the SDLC, Agile, and Waterfall, I answered all. And which technology used for your project? I told the Agile. And he told after getting feedback, you improved. Yes, sir, I improved. And so after that, they tested my adaptability, like if he get the other roles for with which exclude the AML, how we can behave and we will adapt or not. And I told I will learn that also. And the manager asked, why if you are advanced in Python, why you not target about digital? I told I ran the code in my laptop, sir, logically, but for compiler issue I didn't done it in the examination. And they she saw their face each other. And after that, one manager question is that if you are good in AML, like you, there are two members, they will be good in AML. And if you are team leader, you are good in Java, what will if the Java project will assign to you? And I answered that I will motivate them. If they are good in AML, I will teach the basic of Java, and I will make them to do project. And he told, what if they reject? I told I will single-handedly I will do project. And he told that if you don't complain to manager. I told, no sir, for our face expression will be bad with each other, so I um, don't want to spoil this relationship. And they are laughed sir with each other. And firstly the HR question asked, you have given somewhere interview. I told the mock interview given to the HR Saksham Sharma. And she asked, Saksham Sharma, yes, it's all even on the YouTube. I said, that only I saw you somewhere. And she asked about the passion, and I told about reading books and cricket. And I am a big RCB fan, I told. And they are start laughing. And finally she asked one question. And I told, no sir. She actually asked about pan India, but I told no. And she second time repeated her question, pan India. I yes sir, I yes ma'am, I able to shift to all the location. And after that she asked, whatever question is with you can ask English. I told, give me feedback, I can improve. And she told HR to TR to give the feedback. And TR told, Sangmesh, you are good in AML, but the requirements will change. It can be famous in 1 to 2 years or further, but requirements also change. The Java also used till now in the backend. So I told, yes, sir, I am trying to learn Java also. And they offered the chocolates, sir. They had a lot of chocolate there in the in front of the in front of me in the ball. And I took one chocolate. And I asked resume. And the TR told, it will be with us only, you can go Sangmesh. And I told thank you for all of them. And I left out, sir, from there.
Wow, very nice. So you took my name.
Yes, sir. Mock interview. First question only that HR asked, have you been given interview elsewhere? Firstly, she asked.
There are chances that HR might be knowing me because
Yes,
good
sir.
possibility. So
Yes, sir.
not sure, but I think your interview sounds really good.
Yes,
And
sir.
you could. The best part was you were positive when they asked you, uh, despite knowing AI/ML, you might have to do Java, and I think you were able to convince them quite well. So, and then they gave you a situation also as a team lead, you have Java requirement, and then you have AI/ML students. What you will do? So, uh, I think that was pretty convincing.
Yes,
So
sir. So only they are tested my adaptability, sir, for Java and the other. And I told that I'm learning SQL. And I didn't even mention SQL also. They asked, and I am ready to give answer. And I give, sir, all answers.
very good, very good. A
Yes,
high
sir.
chances for Sangvish you are getting selected. Whenever
Yes,
interviewers laugh now, always remember that's a good sign. Whenever they
yes,
laugh all together, including you, so it's a good sign. Okay,
yes, sir.
Charlie, all the
Uh,
best for your results. Yeah,
yes, sir. One more. They told us to me to focus on the digital. Like the manager asked, why you not aimed for digital? Like if I aim for digital, I will get the AML role. If they are thinking like that.
I also doubt you were a good student. I think you can. You also deserve digital or prime, but your written round was not very good, is it?
It's, no, sir. I solved questions, but aptitude went well. And one coding question also solved, sir, logically. But due to some compiler error in the Python, I am faced, sir. And my laptop all went well, sir. All public cases also passed, but I missed that one code, sir.
Hmm. No problem. It's okay. After joining TCS, also you can upgrade to digital by giving
Yes.
internal exams.
Yes, sir. There only I also shared these words only, sir. That for manager, I said that once I join, I will update for sure. I am aiming for that only.
What he said then?
He saw the TR faced and they laughed at each other, sir. It means how confident he is for aiming. I also told sir due to compile issue, I'm not able to upgrade for prime.
Uh, so the mock interview helped you, right?
Yes, sir. It helped. It gave me confidence that I have done a mock interview firstly, but this time also I will do real interview. Like this, it helps.
Very good, very good, very good, Sanmesh.
Yes,
All the
yes, sir.
best for your result, and I'm sure you will definitely get the offer.
And so one of my friends, he's went through not went well, sir, because he mentioned internship of DOPS, and all the questions are from DOPS only, sir. He didn't know about the DOPS. He knows about the Java, so his resume is returned, sir. It means there is a less chance.
Yeah, no, but why did he mention that in resume? Then he's not good in DevOps. Then why did he mention? And if he could
Yes,
not
sir.
define the majority
I
of
only asked like that, sir. But he told I done the internship, so I mentioned, and overall all the questions is from DOPS only for.
I have been telling this right from starting that only mention those things in your resume in which you are good. If you are not good at something, doesn't matter. You have done it, learned it. You should be able to defend it by proper answers. Then only mention. Otherwise, you are inviting trouble. Okay, so all
Yes,
of you, please make your resume like that. It only shows those things in which you are good because they will ask you question from there. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay, so if anybody has any question or can we wrap up? Okay, so I think we can close the call. All right then, good night. All the best for the interviews who are yet to give. Thank you so much. Signing off.